I'm going to talk about welding today in the rain. I've been asked several times if you can weld in the rain. And today I'm going to tell you the truth of it is you can. And you can get electrocuted too. So I don't recommend it to anybody. You're not supposed to do it. This is a little Lincoln Buzz box. But I live in Oregon and this is what it looks like right now. But I learned a long time ago, if you want to get something done in Oregon, you got to do it in the rain. People even ask me, how do you work in the rain? You just do it. See, those are smoking hot. Crawl around underneath it. You get soaked. You get tore up. You get burnt up. You get trashed. But eventually, I'll get everything welded on here. I've already torched this off so you can torch in the rain. You can build in the rain, because I'm actually going to build this trailer in the rain. You can weld in the rain. I've already welded all these perches on in the rain. So the answer is yes, you can do it. Is it recommended? No, it's not recommended. I don't recommend to anybody to do this. You get shocked. You can get electrocuted. I didn't get completely electrocuted, but I did get shocked several times. So yeah, it's probably not safe. It's probably not the prettiest work area. It's probably not the nicest work area. Things probably aren't perfect. Things probably aren't going to be exactly right. But I'm going to get it built. I'm going to get it put together. I'm going to get it done. So hopefully that answers the question if you ever wanted to know. Yes, you can weld in the rain. Yes, you can get shocked. No, I do not recommend doing it, but it can be done. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy the video and found it helpful.